Well, having recorded our hello, the next thing we want to do is to be able to learn how to edit this sound. The first thing we want to find out is how to reduce the size of the file. The NXT can only take very small files, and voice files take a lot of space, so we want to get rid of the silence in front and the silence in the back. To do that, we click up here to make sure the eye is showing, left click here and drag through. You'll notice that dark area. We go to edit and cut and you'll see that we've eliminated all that silence. Do the same here. Click, left click there, drag through to there, edit and cut, and we have now that hello. We want to make sure that that is okay, that it still sounds okay. We can click there to get that vertical line in. That'll be the start of where we play back, and this is the one that we click to play. I'll play this. I'll click on this to play. I have to turn the speakers on my computer up so loud it almost deafens me, but you'll hardly be able to hear it, I think. But let's try it anyway. Hello. You may have heard that, and my ears are ringing. and, but that allows us to get a nice little hello. But suppose, so that'll be right. We could then go on to the next section, and you needn't, if you're satisfied, you needn't look at the rest of this video. But there are a couple of other things we could cover if you're not satisfied. Suppose someone's coughed in the middle of your recording. You can close off, click, and the whole lot of that, go edit, cut, and you say, okay, I'll try again. Pardon me. Clear your throat beforehand. Clear your throat beforehand. Record. Hello. Stop. The red line went along there, but there's nothing there. And this is fairly puzzling to start off with. But what happens is that when you go down a bit, you'll find there's a second recording down here. Let me pull this down a bit so we've got to see a bit more. So we deleted the first recording, but a second recording came which was down below and invisible to us. To get rid of this first one, we click up here in that corner, and that is our second recording. If we wanted to make weren't satisfied with that also and wanted to make a third recording, we can click in the cross there and again, hello, and we've got the same thing. Again, let's click, edit and cut to clear this down and shorten and make our file smaller so it'll fit more easily in the NXT, and that's what we want. Okay, a nice brief hello. Now that's all we'll say about editing. I mentioned a couple of other things. It's worth looking at Audacity. You can cut and paste, you can have multiple voices, you can have repeating sequences and cadences. It's worth looking at, but at this stage all we want to be able to do is produce a nice neat little hello, and that's what we do at this stage. So we're pleased. Thanks.